if you can see my screen. Okay. My voice is audible to all of you. Please reply me in the chat box and you unmute yourself. Atif, Abdul, Masiha, Saf, Shiva, and voice is audible. Okay, sure, very good. I got your reply. So in the previous class, we have started the multiplication of two matrices. Okay, and so we will start with the next question. Could you please check and confirm that this question we have already done, the second one? Shiva, Atif, Abdul.
Yes, sir, we have done this.
We have already completed this. Please start this one. You have a matrix A and B. You need
So
to
we have
find
this answer.
this also. Okay, okay, this also we have done. Okay, please try this question. Question number 7. You have a matrix A, you have a matrix B. You need to find the value of alpha for which A square is equal to B. Okay, please try this question. Okay, and if anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. And before that, Atif, Abdul, Maziha, and Saf, please reply me on the chat box that my voice is audible. Okay, Maziha, I got your reply. Okay, Saf. Okay. Okay, Abdul. Good. Okay, then please start this question and share your answer. Okay, this is a very simple question. You just need to find A square. You need to equate that with B. Or please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. Okay, Shiva, you are getting these values. So is there any common solution in this? Shiva, you are getting these values. So yeah, I'm saying that is there any common solution? No. Okay, so that's why there will not be any value of alpha. No, 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 no. Your answer is correct. So that means there is no value of alpha for which a square is equal to b, because you are getting a different answer. So in matrices, what we do, we select a common solution. So here nothing is common. That's why no solution. Okay. And similarly, Atif, Abdul, Maziha, and Saf, please share your answer. Plus minus one. I'm correct, sir. Alpha is equal to plus minus 1 and 4. So there is no common solution. That's why there is no value of alpha for which a square is equal to b. Okay. I will solve this question. So we have this value. A is equal to alpha 0, 1, and 1. And we have a b which is 1051. We need to find a square. So a square means this alpha 0, 1, 1, alpha 0, 1, 1. So we will multiply this first row, first column. So this will give you alpha square plus 0. Next first row, second column, 0 plus 0. Here we have alpha plus 1. Then here we have 1. So this means this is equal to alpha square 0, alpha plus 1, and 1. We have a square is equal to b. So that means what is a square? A square is alpha square 0, alpha plus 1, 1 is equal to b. What is b? 1051. Okay, so from here we will get alpha is equal to 1, which will give us alpha is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, please note down this. On Saf and Maziha and okay, Saf and Maziha. So alpha will be plus minus 1. And from this we will get alpha plus 1 is equal to 5. So from this we will get alpha is equal to 4. So we are getting these values. So what we can say no value of alpha for which a square is equal to b. Okay, so this clear to everyone? Atif, this is clear?
Yes.
Okay, Abdul, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And please start the next one. Okay, next question is this. This question came in CBSE 2006, and this question is also there in NCERT exemplars. Okay, so this is the complete question. You need to multiply this matrices with this one. Final answer you need to multiply with this, and this O is a null matrix. Okay, Please try to solve this question or let me know if you will face any doubt in this. Okay, please try this. So the order of this matrix is single row, 3 columns, and this is 3 into 1. So these two are same, we can multiply this, and the final will have an order 1 by 1. Okay, please try this. Sorry, this is 3 by 3, so final should have order 1 by 3. Okay, so other in this question, okay, first of all, multiply these two matrices. Okay, multiply these two, this will remain as it is. So how can you multiply this one? First row, first column. So you can multiply like this. You have this with 1, x, 1. Next you have this matrices, which is 1, 3, 2. Next you have 2, 5, 1, 15, 3, and 2. Okay, and this is 1, 2, and this is equal to null matrix. Now, first row and first column. So what you will get, multiply this with the first column. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1, x into 2 is 2x plus 15. First this column, so 3 plus 5x plus 3. This 2 plus x plus 2. Then you need to multiply this with 1 to x. This is equal to null matrix. Now add this one. So this will give you 2x plus 16. This will give you 5x plus 6. This will give you x plus 4. And this will give you, this is already, we have 1 to x is equal to null matrix. Okay. Now other first row, first column. Now can you multiply this? Can you solve this, Uddhav? Okay, very good. Please solve this one and share your answer. And still, if anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Or if you have completed the question, then please share your answer. Okay. If Abdul Maziha Saf, this question is completed. Atif, very good. This is correct answer. Very good. Abdul Maziha Saf, any problem in this question? Saf, very good. This is correct. Good. Abdul and Maziha, this is done. You were very good, but there is one more answer. Okay. When you multiply this, this becomes a quadratic equation. Minus 14. Okay, sure. Okay, good. Then Maziha, this is completed. Maziha and Abdul. Maziha, please let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Okay, I will solve it. Abdul, same for you. Abdul and Maziha, please reply me on the chat box. Abdul and Maziha, this is done. Shall we start next? Minus 14 or minus 2, Maziha, very good. Abdul, this is done. Shall we start next? Abdul, Abdul, my voice is audible. Shall we start next? Okay, what's the answer, Abdul? Abdul, what's the answer? Minus 14 and minus 2. Very good. Next one. This question, matrix A is given, matrix I is given. Okay, I is the identity matrix. You need to find the value of K so that A square is equal to 8A plus K into I. Okay, I is the identity, K is any scalar. And this question came in CBSE 2005. Okay, please try this question and share your answer, or let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. anyone face any issue in this question, then please let me know. Okay, this question is not difficult. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. Okay. Shriva, very good. This is correct. This is the correct answer. Very good. Mazia, is it not -7? Okay, very good. Good, Mazia. This is correct. Abdul, Saif, and Atif, please share your answer once this is done. Atif, very good. This is correct. Abdul and Saifullah, please share your answer. And Steph, any doubt in this question? Okay, please let me know if you have any problems. Otherwise, we will move to the next one. And Steph.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, so we don't need to find ABCD. Okay, K is a scalar. K is not a matrix. K is a scalar. Okay, so I will help you for this one. We have A. We need to find A square. Okay, so A square means 1 0 minus 1 7. We will multiply this with 1 0 minus 1 7. So this will give us first row and first column. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into minus 1 is 0. And first row 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0. Then this minus 1, then minus 7. Okay. Then 0 and plus 49. So this finally we get 1 0 minus 8 49. This is A squared. Now we will find 8A plus KI. So this is what 8 into A. What is A? 1 0 minus 1 7 plus K into I is 1 0 0. This is equal to 8 0 minus 8, and this is 56 plus this is K 0 0 K, and this is equal to 8 plus K. This is 0, this is minus 8, and this is 56 plus. Now, A square is equal to, just complete, 8A plus K into I. So this will give us A square is minus 1 0 minus 8 49, and this is equal to 8 plus K 0 minus 8, and this is 46 plus K. Okay, so if we will equate this, minus 1 is equal to
It's
8
56 plus K.
sorry, this is 56. Thank you. Next we have this one, 49 is equal to 56 plus K. So shift this, K is equal to 49 minus 56. So from here we will get a minus 7. So by here we have done some this. This is 1. This is 1. So from here also we will get K is equal to 1 minus 8, which will give us plus 7. So K is equal to minus 7 is the answer. Sir, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And I hope everyone has completed this. We will start the next one. Next is this. This question is from your NCERT exemplar. You have a matrix this is getting multiplied with matrix A, and you are getting this one. Okay. Now please find the matrix A. Okay, okay. Please give me a minute. Okay. Okay, very good. All of you, please start this question now. Here is the matrix. Okay, sir. Okay, the order of first matrix, this is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. Second, we need to find, and third are the matrix, 3 by 3. So anyone can tell me what is the matrix, what is the order of the matrix in?
A is 3 by 3.
3 by 3, no, not correct. Please again check it. Yes, Shiva.
Sir, is it 2 by 3?
2 by 3, very good. This is correct. Okay. All of you, please check here. Here you have 3, so that's why here we must have 3. Here we have 2, that's why here we must have 2. That's why the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Now please assume all the values and try to solve this. Anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. If anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Okay. 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 Sure. Okay. You need to solve in this way. Please complete it. Yes. So, Atif, this point is clear that how we have decided the order. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have assumed all the values like this. This is A, B, C, D, F. Now, first row and first row. Okay. So this will give you 2A plus 3 into D. 2B, 3 into 2C. Then this will give you 3 and 4A, 5D, 4B, 5E, 4C, 5F. Next, 2A plus B, 2B plus B, 2C plus F. And these all are equal to this 1, 3, 2, 2, 5, 1, 15, 3, and 2. So if we will equate these with these numbers, then we will get these equation. 2A plus 3D is equal to 1. 4A plus 5D is equal to 2. Okay, last we have this 2A plus 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, from here we will get 2B plus 3E is equal to 3. 4B plus 5E is equal to 5. And this we will get 2B plus C is equal to 3. This we will get 2C plus 3F is equal to 2. 4C plus 5F is equal to 1. And this we have 2C plus F is equal to 2. Let's solve these two equations. So what you need to do, you need to multiply this equation with 2. So you will get a 4A plus 6D is equal to 2. Subtract this. You will get minus B is equal to Now this is 0. Okay. So D you will get is equal to 0. Put the 0 here. So you will get A is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now similarly, please try to find the all other values. Please complete this.
So what about the last equation?
Yeah. Once you will find all the values, then please put all these values in the equation so that we can check that this will satisfy the equation or not.
Okay, sir.
A is equal, here we are getting D0, and once we will put this value here, then we will get 2A plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so A is equal to 1 by 2. Shiva, this is correct. I'm sorry, there's some mistake in these numbers. Okay, so there can be chances that your answer will not satisfy the equations.
Yes, sir. That's
Okay,
the
that's issue. These values are not correct. Okay, I will change these values. But I hope the method is clear to everyone.
yes, sir.
Okay, great. So similarly, please solve these two equations also, and similarly this one. There's a mistake with the values, therefore these are not satisfying the third equation. Please solve the next one. B and E and similarly C and E. Everyone, this question is completed. Now please similarly solve these two equations. So please multiply the first one with 2 and try to find out the value of B and E. Okay, so for this one you will multiply with 2, so you will get 4B plus 6C. 4B plus 6E is equal to 6, sorry. And this is 4B plus 5E is equal to 5. From this, we will get E is equal to 1. And when you will put this value, you will get B is equal to 6. Yes, sure, this correct. And for the next one, please multiply this with 2. So you will get 4C plus 6F is equal to 4. This is 4C plus 5F is equal to 1. Subtract this, you will get F is equal to 3. And when you put this value, example here, you will get 339. So 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So minus 7 bar. This question is clear to everyone. Atif, Abdul Mazihat, Saf, and Shiva. Shiva, your voice is not audible. Please reply me in the chat box. And Atif, Abdul Mazihat, Saf. Okay. Okay, Saf, this is correct. Okay, Mazihat. Good. Okay. And Artist, is clear? Okay, so once you will get the value of the variable, you need to put the value in these three equations. These values are not correct, that's why our answer is not getting matched. I will again give you some more questions on the basis of this. Okay, but I hope the method is clear to everyone. Yeah, please try this question. So the question is, prove that the product of these two matrices is the null matrix when theta and phi differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so first of all, please multiply this, then I will help you in solving this question. Please multiply this. Please complete this and clear on. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. There's a simple question, what is that for? To confirm answer, can you show last slide? Our last question is not correct. Okay, there's some mistake in the value. Okay, we will do one more question of the same type. Okay, please leave that question, but I hope the method is clear to you. Okay, Arjun. Please start this question, question by 11, and let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. Yes, sure. You need to multiply these two matrices. Okay. Everyone, please try this question and let me know if you will face any issue in this one. Okay, I will explain this one. So here, there's nothing. You just need to multiply these two matrices, cos theta, sin theta, and then you need to use some formulas of trigonometric functions from the class 11. You need to multiply this one with this one. This is cos square of phi plus cos phi sin phi. Okay, just multiply these two. So you will get this fourth row, first column. So this is cos square theta into cos square phi plus cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. Then fourth row, second column, cos square theta cos phi sin phi plus cos theta sin theta into sin square. First row, this one, cos theta sin theta. You will get cos square phi plus sine square theta into cos phi sine phi. This is cos theta sine theta into cos phi sine phi plus sine square theta into sine square. Okay. So 70% part I have already completed. Now just take a comment from each element and then put some formula. Okay. I hope you can solve this question. So please complete this and share your answer. Anyone who had doubt, then please let me know. Okay. Atif, Abdul, Maziha, Saf, Shiva, can you continue from this? Just take comment from all the
Yes.
elements. Okay. I will give you an example. So for example, we can take cos theta common and we can take cos phi common.
Cos phi also.
Okay. Then we will get cos theta cos phi plus here we have sine
Theta
theta
sine phi.
sine phi. Very good. Okay, and Shiva, what is the formula for this? Cos theta cos phi plus sine theta sine phi. I will write the formula here, okay, but you all need to complete this question. So cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay, this is the formula. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay, so if we will check this one, this is cos theta cos phi plus sine theta sine phi. So that means I will write here. That means the first element will become cos theta cos phi, and here you have cos theta minus. Okay, so the first element this becomes cos theta minus phi. Now, please do the same thing in all the elements, and in all the elements, you will definitely get cos theta minus phi. Okay, please continue this one. Atif, Abdul, Mazia, Saf, Shiva, this question is clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Atif, Abdul, Mazia, Saf, please reply me on the
Yes,
chat
sir.
box. Okay, good, Saf. Abdul,
Yes, sir.
Mazia, good. Okay, Mazia, very good. Then please continue this question. And in all the elements, you will definitely get cos theta minus phi. Please complete it and share. Okay, sure, very good. Now, okay, now what they are saying in the question, this is the null matrix when theta and phi differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2. So that means theta minus phi, they are saying if theta minus phi is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. That means theta minus phi can have the value pi by 2, can have the value 3 pi by 2, odd multiple, okay, 5 pi by 2, and so on. So sure, can you tell me what's the value of cos pi by 2?
So cos pi by 2.
Hmm?
Not sorry. 0.
0. Very good. Okay, so they are saying the difference between these two angles is an odd multiple of pi by 2. That means pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, or all odd multiple have the value 0. So in place of this, you can put 0 at all the places. Then can you tell me, are you getting the null matrix? Sure. Sure, if you will put 0 at all the places.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shiva, this question is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Atif, Abdur, Maziha, Saf, please let me know once you will take comment from all. And finally, in each term, you will get a cos theta minus 5. Okay, please confirm me once you will reach up to this system.
Certainly.
Yeah, I'm saying that please let me know once you will reach up with this system. Okay, so for example, you have this one. This is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element, and this is the fourth element. So please take out the comment from this one. Okay, similarly, take out the comment from this, take out the comment from this. Please share your answer once this is done. Okay, this is not a tough question. So you just need to take out the comment. So here we can take comment cos theta cos phi. So we will get cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. From this, take out the common, so you can take cos theta, and from this you will get a sin theta. And here you will get cos theta cos phi plus here you will get cos theta. You have already taken common, so here you will get a sin theta and sin theta. Okay, Mazia, very good. This answer is correct. Very good. Here you will get sin theta and sin theta. From this one, cos theta sin theta cos square phi. So you can take a sin theta common and you can take cos phi common. So sin theta, okay, and cos phi. So you will get cos theta, cos phi, and from this you will get sin theta, sin phi. From this one, take out the common. So take sin theta common and take sin phi common. So you will get here cos theta, cos phi plus sin theta, sin phi. Okay, Atif, Abdur, Saf, this is clear. Atif,
Yes, sir.
Abdur, okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. Then just put this formula. What is the formula? Cos theta, cos phi plus sin theta, sin phi. Yes, Abdur, I can explain this again. Abdur, this is clear. This part, this step is clear. Okay. Then Abdur, you just need to take out the common. So from this this first element, what can we take common? We can take cos theta and we can take cos phi. This clear? If we will take cos theta common, then please remove the cos theta from here and remove the cos theta from here and take cos phi common. So here you will get cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. This is clear, Abdul? Okay, then similarly in the second one, we can take cos theta and sin phi common. Okay, here we have a cos theta and just give me a minute. No, it's not correct. We have taken sin theta, sorry. We have taken sin theta as well. Okay, sin theta and sin phi common, so we get this one. Here we have a sin theta, here we have sin theta. Here we have sin phi, similarly here we have a sin phi. So we have taken out sin theta and sin phi common. So we get this one. Similarly here we can take sin theta and cos phi common. Similarly here we can take sin theta and sin phi common. Just okay, sorry, I just from this one we are getting cos theta. Correct. Okay. And from this we are taking sin phi common. That's good. Abdul, this is clear now. Okay, then in place of this, just put the formula. So here you will get cos theta, cos phi, and this is the formula of cos theta minus phi. Similarly, in here also you will get cos theta minus phi. Similarly, here cos theta minus phi, cos theta minus phi. Okay, now Abdul, please tell me what's the value of cos 90?
0.
0. Okay, so now in the question they are saying that theta and phi differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2. So that means the difference between the theta and phi is pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and so on, 7 pi by 2, and so on. So for all these values, the cos will remain 0. So that's why in place of this, we can put 0, and finally you will get the null matrix. This clear, Abdul? Sorry, Abdul, your voice is not audible. This is okay. Atif and Saf, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Atif, this clear.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So shall we start next? This question is completed. Please reply me on the chat box. Shall we start next?
Yes.
Okay, Abdur and Saf, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then, okay, this is a very good question. Omega is a complex cube root of unity. You need to show this, okay? So first of all, we will discuss that what is a cube root of unity. Okay. What is cube root of unity? Suppose we have this one. X cube is equal to 1. Okay. So that means we need to find the cube root of 1. 1 to the power 1 by 3. Suppose we have x square is equal to 4. Then we need to find the value of x. So value of x should be under root of 4. Under root plus minus 4. So this will give us plus minus 2. Okay. So now we are discussing about the cube root of unity. That what is a cube root of unity? So we need to find the value of x. X cube is equal to 1. So we need to find the value of x so that whatever the number we will get and we will do the cube of that, finally we will get answer as a 1. So how can we solve it? We can write this like this: x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. And in place of 1, we can write whole cube. 1 cube is 1, so that's why it will not make any difference. Now x cube minus 1 cube, so this will give us, just apply the formula a cube minus b cube. You can tell me what's the formula? Atif, can you tell me what's the formula of a cube minus b cube? Anyone can tell me what's the formula for a cube minus b cube? Is it not a? Please learn the formulas, okay? So A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB is equal to 0. Okay. So from this, we will get x minus 1. And here we will get x square plus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Now, either this part is 0 or this one. So that means x minus 1 is equal to 0, which will give us x is equal to 1. And when we will equate this one, this is equal to 0. We need to find the value of x. Okay, just put the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So x is equal to minus b means minus 1 plus minus under root b square 1 minus 4 into a into c by 2a. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3. Minus 3 means 3 iota by
We
2.
can't hear you.
Iota concept. My voice is not audible. Just give me. Atif and sir, voice is audible.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay, thanks. So we have just found the value of x. So x we get a 1 and x we get this one. Okay, so what does that mean? If you will do the cube of 1, then finally you will get a 1. And if you will do the cube of this complete number, then you will also get a 1. Okay, so there's no more need to go in the detail of this. What I just want to tell you that if we need to find the cube root of unity, then we will get 3 answers. First is 1. Second, this number minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2. And third, we will get minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. Okay. So if we need to find the cube root of unity, then we have a 3 number, 1, this, and this. 1 remain as it is. This number can be denoted by omega, and this number can be denoted by omega square. Okay. This can be represented by omega, and this can be represented by omega square. So the symbol which you can see in this question, these are the cube root of unity, and the values are this. Omega is this, omega square is this. Why they are called the cube root of unity? Because if you will do the cube root of 1, then you will get these 3 answers, as we have already discussed over here. Now, what is the use of these? We have 2 properties. First is 1 plus omega square. This will give us 0. Whenever you will add these three numbers, you will get a 0. So you need to remember this property, that 1 plus omega square, because this type of questions can came in matrices. These types of question can came in determinant also. Okay. So whenever you have a cube root of unity, then there are 90% of chances then that we can use this formula. So please remember first formula, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Second formula is omega cube is equal to 1. Okay. So from all these proof, we will get these 2 results, that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. So you need to remember these 2 formulas.
So
Okay.
every time omega and omega square is minus 1 plus or minus 3 iota by 2.
Sorry, Shiva, will you please repeat the question?
So always the value of omega and omega square is minus 1 plus or minus root 3 iota by 2.
Yes. Okay, these are the constant values. These are the fixed values. So
Okay,
omega
sir.
is always this one, omega square is this one. And you can check this one. Okay, if you will add these 3 numbers, you will get a 0. The first property, you can check this. Just try to add these 3 numbers, you will get a 0. Omega cube, just multiply omega and omega square. Multiply these 2 values, you will get a 1. So we have these 2 properties, one first and second one. In exam, they will not ask you to do the proof of this. You just need to use these properties, these 2. Okay. Now please solve this question. So what you need to do, just add these two matrices, then finally multiply this with this. Finally, you will get a 0. Okay. Please try this question and let me know if anyone will face any issue in this. Just add these 2, apply the property, then finally multiply. You will finally get a And you need to solve this question. I will not solve this, okay? But I will give you the hint. So if you will stuck in any step, then please let me know. I will help you in this. But you need to solve this complete question. Atif, Mazia, Saf, Shiva, are you doing this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I will, okay, good. Okay, I hope everyone has noted this one. So I will erase this. So what you need to do, just add these two. So one, this will become 1 plus omega. This become omega plus omega square. This become omega square plus 1. This become omega plus omega square. This become omega square plus 1. This become 1 plus omega. This become omega square plus omega. This is 1 plus omega square. This is omega plus 1. This is 1 omega and omega square. So you just need to multiply this, okay? First row, first column. So 1 plus omega plus this one. Omega into this, omega square plus omega cube. And this will give you omega to the power 4 plus omega square. Similarly, multiply this. Omega plus omega square, or we have one more method here. Just a minute. Yes, Shiva, but there's no 1 plus omega is equal to this. I will explain this, Shiva. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we have these two properties. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Then, Shiva, can you tell me what if we will shift this to the right side? Then in place of 1 plus omega, we will get minus omega square.
Yes,
This
sir.
clear to all of you? Atif, Maziha, Saf, this is clear. In place of 1 plus omega, can we write minus omega square? Atif, Maziha, and Saf.
Yes.
Maziha and Saf. Okay. Saf.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in place of 1 plus omega, we can put a minus omega square. Now, Saf, will you please tell me that in place of omega plus omega square, what can we write?
Oh, -1.
Minus 1. Great. Then, Saf, in place of 1 plus omega square,
Sorry?
in place of 1 plus omega square,
Omega.
very good, minus omega. Similarly, in place of this, we can write -1, here minus omega, here minus omega square, here -1, minus omega, and minus omega square. And these will get multiplied with 1 omega omega square. So this is equal to first row, first column. Okay. Multiply this with this minus omega square, then minus omega, then minus omega to the power 4. Similarly, this one, -1, minus omega square, minus omega to the power 4. This one, -1, minus omega squared minus omega to the power 4. Now this is a matrix, so from the matrix we can take negative common. We will get omega squared. This is omega, and this is omega to the power 4. Okay. So omega cube is equal to 1. So we can write omega to the power 4 is equal to omega cube into omega. So you can write 1 into omega. So this will give you plus omega. Okay. Let's just keep it. So here we will get, we'll multiply this with this minus omega squared, this with this minus omega, this with this minus omega cube. This is correct. Here we will get minus 1. Here we will get minus omega squared, and here we will get minus omega to the power 1. Now here we will get minus 1. Here we will get minus omega squared, and here we will get minus omega to the power 4. Okay. Now this one, this is minus omega. This is minus omega squared. So take a negative common. You will get minus 1 here, and here you will get omega squared plus omega. In place of omega's cube, we can write 1. So here we will get a 1. Here this is 1 plus omega squared. In place of omega to the power 4, we can write omega. And similarly 1 plus omega squared plus omega. Now this is equal to negative, and Saf, can you tell me what is the value of 1 plus omega squared?
0.
0. Okay. 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Outside we have a negative, so this doesn't matter. You can multiply the negative with the 0 and you finally get this. This is clear. Atif, Mazia, Saf, and Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Maziha, this is clear. Okay. So just to reduce our calculation, we have just written in place of this these values. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please put down this, and I will give you the homework. Please try to do question from assignment 2. Assignment second. Question number 1 to 18. Okay, and 21 and 22. So you can complete the assignment except question number 19 and 20. I know that in the last week we have already marked some questions. So in assignment 2, you need to complete question number 1 to 12. Some you have already completed. Please do the remaining one and submit your answer. Okay. Then thank you. We will